Hi viewers, my name is Godfrey, and in today's video I want to share with you guys on how you can actually start making money online with less competition in the year 2020. For me, I use a particular strategy that is less competitive, and what I do is I go for a specific niche and start offering services on that specific niche. And how am I able to do this? I actually use a platform that offers over 32 different business tools to use to effectively run and automate my business online. And all I had to do was to learn and master how to use that one of the tools out of the entire 32 tools. So I mastered on how to use one, then go about and start providing services with that particular tool that I've actually mastered. And the Builderall platform is actually the software that I use to build mobile-friendly websites for business owners by simply using the pre-built website template inside the Builderall platform and then plug in the information being provided to me by the business owners. And how am I able to do this? Well, let me quickly demonstrate to you guys by sharing my screen so you can see how I'm able to, go look out for business owners, offer to build free mobile-friendly website to them. And why do I offer free website? I want to get their attention, and by getting their attention, then obviously we'll start talking business. So let's quickly do a demonstration on how I go about this. So right now I'm inside my Builderall business software tool, or my account rather, and this is where you have different business tools or apps that you can actually deploy to run your business effectively. And what I did here, just like I said, instead of me trying to master 32 different tools, what I did, I actually chose one, learned it, then perfected my skills on it. Then I start using that particular one that I've learned to source for clients and start providing services. And the particular tool I use is this particular one here called the Pixel Perfect Site Builder. And why did I choose this particular tool? This tool has pre-built website templates on different businesses or different niches, and all I had to do was go source for clients, offer to build a free mobile or friendly optimized website for them, and once they agree to my terms, then all I need to do, I come down to Pixel Perfect Site Website Builder and pick up the template for that particular business and plug in the information the business owner must have given to me. So let's take a look and see what exactly is inside the Pixel Perfect Site Builder. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this enter button here. And before I do that, if you look at here, there's a training section. So just like all the apps on this particular platform, this software, each of this particular app that you want to learn, there's a training section here where you have in-depth knowledge on how to actually use any one of them for your businesses. So, but for me, what I did, I decided to go with the Pixel Perfect Site Builder, irrespective of the fact that I still use some of the apps here inside for my personal businesses. Like I use this particular one, this drag and drop email marketing automation, the mailing box. Instead of me subscribing to other platforms for my email automation, sending out of my email sequences, I use this. So everything you need from every other service provider or business tool service provider are all incorporated inside the Builderall platform. So I don't need to start subscribing to multiple platforms for email automation, or for me to start building funnels, and or for me to start doing presentations and webinar and all the stuff. Everything is all inside the Builderall platform here. So that's another advantage of choosing this particular website. So you don't need to start subscribing to multiple service providers for different business purposes. You actually have everything all incorporated into one platform. So back to the Pixel Perfect Site Builder. So once I click on the enter button, it's going to take me to where you have, it brought me down to this page where you have the pre-built website templates for different businesses. So what I normally do is this. If you click on this category here, is loading up. It's going to show you different templates for different businesses. But what I normally do is this. I come down straight to the local business section here, and once I click on the local business section, on the drop down here, you'll see that there's a lot of businesses that I can actually contact and start rendering services to. Like here you have accountant. I can actually decide to render services to accountant or barbershop owners, beauty salon, dentists, electricals, fitness, insurance agency. So there's a lot of pre-built website template right in here I can actually work with. And the beauty part of this all is that all these templates are all pre-done. So you're not coming down to start, redesigning or start building a website afresh. So someone like me now, I do not have any website building background. But with this platform, I look like an expert because all I just need to do is come down here, pick up any of the templates, edit it and plug in the information that has already been provided to me by the business owner, and I deliver such services. So let's take, for example, I decided to, I went and contacted beauty salon owners. I reached out to beauty salon owners and I told them that, because one of the strategies I use again is that I offer to build free mobile optimized websites for them. And why am I offering free service? Because I need their attention. It's like my lead magnet. Once I'm offering something to them for free to build their website for them for free, I'm trying to earn their trust. I'm also trying to earn their business. But again, I also have a target. I know where I'm heading to, because that I'm offering to build something free doesn't mean I'm not going to make money from them. I'm still going to make money from them. But there's a way I technically do that. But the first thing I do is, first of all, I offer them something for free. And that's to build a free, optimized, mobile-friendly website for them for free, so as to get their attention, so we can start talking business. And assuming I actually met a salon owner and discuss about providing a free website for their business, all I need to do, I come down back to my Builderall pixel sites section here. Then I go to beauty salon. I click on it. It's going to actually bring out a template for beauty salon owners. Then I can actually choose any one of my choice. Let me click on this so that we can see what this particular website template looks like. I'm going to click on this view button here and I'll allow it to load for a moment. Okay, good enough. It came up on time. So you can see this website is already, everything is done here. You have the logo section. If the business owner gives me their logo, all I need to do is upload their logo here. Then their services, their home section, all I just need to do is just to plug in all those informations, their about me sections, their contact me sections. Then if they have images, I'll just also upload their images here. But in terms of the background and the texture, everything is already done. I'm not coming to rebuild this website. So let me scroll down so that you can see how this website actually looks like. So you can see this is a beautiful website template. And this particular website template have actually gotten me a lot of clients, especially from beauty salon owners and spa parlor owners as well too. So it also has a testimonial section. So if the business owners have testimonials too, they can actually give it to you, and all you just need to do is to plug in those informations right in here. Let's also take a look on another template. Just a moment. Okay, this time around, I want to take a look on, let me say barbershop. So just like again, if I've contacted a barbershop owner and I've also offered to build a free mobile optimized friendly website for them, all I need to do, I'll also come down here. It's still loading. Just a moment, because I want to see the background pictures before I proceed. Okay, all right, fine. So we can decide, I can decide, or you, I'm using the word we, I'm including you guys already, so that's cool. So I can decide to actually work with this particular template, just like we did the last time. I'll click on the view here, so that we'll all see how this particular template looks like. I've been privileged to work with 5 different barbershop owners and actually use this particular template. So just like the beauty salon template, all you need to do again, you gather their informations, you plug it in. If they have a logo, you plug in their logo here, their home, their about us section, their service section. Whatever information being provided to you by the business owner is obviously what you're going to plug in here. So let's take a look on how this particular template looks like too. So you can see this is also a beautiful website template, everything pre-done. There's basically nothing you need to do here except plugging in the information provided to you by the business owner, such as their informations, their images, their logos, and after that you're done. So this is a very, very effective strategy to use, and the beautiful aspect of it all is this. So you don't need any skill, you don't need any pre-website building knowledge, which is one of the reasons to why I had to choose the Pixel Perfect Site Tool Builder and learn about it, mastered it. Now I comfortably offer to build optimized mobile friendly websites for business owners, knowing that once I get their business, all I need to do, I just come down here and pick up the niche for that particular business, pick up the template and use the web template and plug in the information they provided for me. So the question now comes up, how do I make money after building this free website for them? Then how do I make money? Now, I just want to let you all know that Builderall is a subscription paid platform. And once I build this website, before I proceed to build the website, I let the business owners know that, okay, I'm going to build this website for you guys for free, but after building it, you guys are going to pay for your hosting, the hosting of your website, and you're going to pay for it. So, and I normally make sure that they accept to pay for the hosting, of which Builderall has different subscription plans. You have the $29.99 plan, you have the $49.99 plan, then you also have the $67.99 plan. But most times I offer them the $29.99 plans so that I can actually get the business. Then as time goes on, I can now upsell them with other services that such as maybe creating optimizing their emails for them, helping them send out emails by setting up their funnels and all the stuff. These are other upsells I can actually sell to them using Builderall, but I try to sell them the $29.99 plan so as to get their business, and it is also a lot more easier. And once they pay that $29.99, Builderall gives you 100% of that money for their very first payment. Every time you get a new client, their first payment, you get 100% of it from Builderall. Then subsequently, since it is a subscription it's a subscription app, or how do I call it? Every month they pay for their monthly subscription. You also earn 30% of that every month. So that is another recurring income, monthly income coming in. So if you now multiply by the number of clients you have, then you know what you're talking about, that this is actually a proven source of income stream. Then another beautiful aspect of this platform is this. Builderall also have an affiliate program that has a two-tier affiliate program, in the sense that once someone that you sign up decides to become an affiliate and they make sales, you also earn 30% from their sales, and it's also recurring. So it's a win-win situation. You're actually earning 100% for the very first time you're selling any plan to any of your clients, and anytime they also pay their monthly subscription, you also get 30% out of it. And if anyone decides to become an affiliate under you, whenever time they make sales through their own link and client, you also get 30% from that. So it all adds up. So this is one of the strategies that's actually deployed in actually making money online. And just like I said, it is less competitive. Only few people actually doing about this, and very, very, very few people actually talking about this online. So this is an opportunity for you to actually take advantage of this strategy, implement it, and start making money just like I do from the comfort of your home. And for more information about this, I'll leave a link below this video, or maybe right inside my description, so you can click on it so that you can actually get in-depth knowledge on how to start utilizing this strategy. And good thing about it again is that you can actually sign up for free for 14 days with the Builderall platform here. You don't need any credit card. Like when I signed up for Builderall, within the first 14 days, I was actually able to sign up like 4 clients, because I went in straight. It was as if my life depended on it. I wanted to make money even before I start paying Builderall for my subscription plans. So within that 14 days, I actually deployed these services, used all the whole trainings that was available to me, and I was able to, land 4 clients, of which their money actually paid for my subscription, and the rest became profit. And that was like a year ago. And today, if I look behind and see where I'm coming from, I'm so grateful and glad I actually took embraced the opportunity then and implemented it and actually worked towards it. So if it works for me, definitely sure that it's also going to work for you. So if you actually find value in what you just heard from the information I shared with you, kindly subscribe to my channel, where it's a new channel. I'm growing it, and I've also dedicated to be sharing valuable tips with you all on how to actually make money online. And again, there's a link to my to Builderall 14-day free trial, where you can actually click and sign up and start utilizing this platform and start making money. I don't think it hurts if you have an extra source of income coming from another source. That won't be a bad idea. So thank you all for viewing, and hopefully get to see you guys on my next video some other time. Thanks.